My name is Marta Rico Alvarado. I'm the daughter of Mexican immigrants. My job is manager of education. I proudly work for a national nonprofit, and with my team, we provide education to community health workers and clinical professionals who provide direct services to migrant and immigrant workers, including agricultural workers. What motivates my work is putting into practice the idea of health justice, social justice, and language justice. Every person living in this country has a right to health care, the right to be seen as an equal in society, and the right to access factual information in their language. Equality is a motivating factor behind my work. What makes me feel proud is having the opportunity to work with individuals working in the most physically demanding and lowest compensating job sectors, get healthy and stay healthy for their own well-being and for the well-being of their families. I want people to know that without my contribution and the contribution of the many others that share my background, this nation would not be the global leader it is today.